Recording. Okay, so welcome back to Geography class. Okay, so as we know, these are our revision days, and this class basically I'm going to consume, or we together going to consume to discuss the sample question paper that was published by the CBS. Okay, clear or not? Clear? So far, we discussed number of questions from different chapters, but we want to know the pattern of the question paper. It is very important. Okay, clear or not? What types of questions are there? Okay, clear? And the weightage for different subjects. Such kind of things you have to understand. The types of questions too important. Okay, so back to screen sharing. You can see the sample question paper. Okay, so timings and the total marks you have to observe first. Okay, it is a 90 minutes examination. 90 minutes examination and a maximum mark awarded. Okay, or we can award it is 40. The maximum is a 40 mark. And this general instructions also very much important for us. Okay, so general instructions are almost same for almost all the subjects, but some slight differences will be, chances are there. Okay, so here you can see in our question paper, in social science question paper, we know that we have four subjects, right? Four different textbooks are there, but it's a examination together. Okay, and our subject code, it is code. What is the code for us? It is 087. 087. It's the subject code for social science for class 10. Okay, 087. The subject code is too important for us. 087. Clear? 087. Repeating that. And here in the question paper, the sample question paper, there are 7 general instructions. Are the 7 points are there in the general instruction. First of all, the question paper contains 4 sections: section A, section B, section C, and section D. So altogether 4 sections are there. Okay. And the next second option, second point, section A has 24 questions. Note down 24 questions. And the thing is, attempt any 20 questions. Clear? Okay, they will what do you can say, observe, or they can check only the first 20 correct answers. Clear or not? Clear or not? So out of these 24 questions, you want to attempt, how to attempt 20 questions. 20 questions. Section B, 22 questions are there. The section B, 22 questions. Okay. So don't think that section A is history, section B is geography, section C is political science, section D is economics or something like that. Okay. So combination of almost all the 4 subjects there. Okay. It's not like that. Okay. So section B, 22 questions. Out of that 22, you want to attempt 18 questions. Options are there. 18 questions. Clear? Okay. Next one, section C. Okay, here point number 4. Section C has 12 questions. And the speciality of this question, it is what you can say, source-based questions, paragraph. Okay, clear or not? That from 4 different subjects. One paragraph question from history, one from geography, one from political science, and one from economics. Okay, so 4 such kind of questions are there. Okay, so 12 questions are there. Out of that, you should attempt 10 questions. 10 questions. Okay, note down 10 questions. Okay, then section D is the map-based questions for us. Clear or not? Okay, you don't want to label anything on the map there. You will get a labeled map or marked map. From that, you should, or you have to find out the place that is marked related with the question that asked for. Okay, clear or not? And the next thing is, all questions carry equal marks. This is very important for us. All questions carry equal marks. So 20 plus 18 plus, what is that? 12, sorry, 18, 10 plus 2. Okay. So what is that? How many questions are there?
40.
50.
It is not 40, man. Okay. So from section A, 20. Clear. Section B, 18. Section C, 10 in number. You should answer 10 question answers. Okay. And from section D, it is 2. So what is the total here?
50.
50, 50. Okay. So don't think that 40 marks is 40 questions. Okay, you would answer 50 questions. Clear or not? 50 questions. Then tell me, okay, so justified statement. Sixth point. All questions carry equal mark. Then one question carry, one
0.8.
answer carry 0.8. Very good. So 0.8 marks. Clear. Clear. Okay. So all questions carry equal marks. That is 0.8. 0.8. So don't think that it is a 40 questions. You should answer only 40 questions or something like that. There are 50 questions are there. You should answer for 50 questions. Okay. So each question carries 0.8 marks. Okay. Clear? They're clear or not? Okay, so you know that general instructions. One more time, the question paper contains 4 sections. Section A, 24 questions. Out of the 24, 20. That is what section A. Section B, out of 22, 18. Section C, out of 12, 10 questions. And section C is source-based. Okay, case-based questions are there. And section D, map-based questions. Map-based questions. Okay, and all questions carry equal marks. Final point, there is no negative mark. Clear? There is no negative mark. You are making a mistake also, there's no problem. Okay. Don't think that negative mark means there's no negative marks are there. Right. Okay. Clear or not? Mistake means it's just a mistake, no problem. There's no negative marks like competitive examinations. Okay. I got a message here. Let me read that. Hadivi says that my voice is low. What about others? The voice is okay for you? Hello?
Yes,
Sir, it's some low.
Somewhat low. Okay. Now, hello? Hello? Okay, fine. Okay, now we are going to section A. So instruction is here also. You can see the instruction. Attempt any 20 out of 24 questions. Clear? So the first question, who among the following was the founder of Young Europe, an underground secret society in Bern? What is the answer?
Giuseppe Mazzini.
Yeah, you know that answer. That is a Giuseppe Mazzini. Okay, so everyone know that perfectly, right?
Sir, we can mark this in question paper, sample question paper. If we have.
You have a printed copy.
Yes, sir.
You can mark it, no problem. No, don't worry. That is your own property. That's your own right. Okay. Nobody is there to ask why you should or why you mark or something like that. No one will ask. So, okay, it's your self determination or self property. That's okay. So second one, which of the following was the result of the Act of Union 1707? 1707. Act of Union of 1707 related with the strange case of Britain. Option A, unification of Germany. You know that it is not like that one. Okay. Option B, unification of the Kingdom of Great Britain. Option C, unification of Italy, and unification of Vietnam. What is the answer? So Act of Union is connected with the Britain. So what is the answer? Okay, answer is B, unification of the Kingdom of Great Britain. Unification of the Kingdom of Great Britain. Okay, so mark that. Third one, identify the correct statement with regard to Solaverin from the following option. Solaverin. Can anyone tell me the word Solaverin is connected with the what is the Amina Naurin? The word Solaverin. Solaverin is connected with what?
Sir, can I see the options?
Only God and the textbook makers know that answer, right? Huh? Option is here. You can see. Okay, this is the option. First one, it was a coalition of Prussian states formed to manage political alliances. Its aim was to build the Prussia politically into an association. It was a customary union at the initiative of Prussia. It helped to awaken the rise of national sentiment in Europe. Then tell me, Amina, what is the answer? Amina. Amina.
Yes, sir.
Tell me. So the word Solaverin is connected with what? What? John Samuel.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, what is the answer? Solaverin.
Sir,
So Amina's answer is wrong.
Sir, C.
John Samuel. Prajot Krishna says it is C. Okay, what about Bhadra?
Sir, D.
Okay. So Badra,
No, sir, C.
C. Badra says C. Okay. So the answer is C. It is the custom. It was a custom union at the initiative of Prussia. Okay. We know that there are 39 confederations, right or not? Okay. To avoid paying taxes in each customs barrier, okay, they made a customs union. Okay, Prussia made a customs union. The name of that custom unit is Slovenian. Okay, clear or not? Okay, your answer is correct, Miss Badra. Number of students also said the same answer. Some students made mistake also, which means they not attended the class or there is no connection with the textbook. Number of times I read that particular paragraph and told you people to mark that. Okay, mind it. So going for the fourth question, which of the following countries were involved in the 3 wars with Prussia and ended with the victory of unification of Germany? Okay, 7 Years' War by Otto and Bismarck. 7 Years' War by Otto and Bismarck. That's against the countries. Okay, options A, Austria, Poland, and France. Option B, Austria, Denmark, and France. Option C, Austria, Turkey, and France. Option D, Austria, England, and France. What is the answer? Rosabi.
Austria, Denmark, and France.
Okay, very good. Our answer is exactly Austria, Denmark, and France. Okay, the 3 Years' War. Okay, sorry, 7 Years' War against 3 different countries by Prussian Chief Minister Otto von Bismarck. What is that? What is his name? What is his name? Otto von Bismarck. Number of times I told that don't write like that Ottoman Bismarck or something like that. It is Otto von Bismarck. Okay, Otto von Bismarck. Clear? So you got that answer for the fourth question also. Moving to the next one. Fifth question. Identify the ideology under which people demanded freedom of markets in early 19th century Europe. Here the word is demanded freedom. Okay, the ideology under which the people demanded freedom. Answer, sorry, option A, romanticism. Option B, liberalism. Option C, socialism. And option D, rationalism. Okay, rationalism. And Mary. And Mary. Option A. Romanticism, it seems. Okay, fantastic. Okay. So you want to boost or compliment something, I'm Mary. What kind of answer is that? There's no relation at all.
Liberalism.
Now next option, liberalism. Come on.
No,
Again,
option
two
B.
more options are there.
Liberalism.
Again, 2 more options are there for you. One is socialism, another is rationalism. Then tell me the answer. What is that, Mr. Aditya? Aditya, any idea? What is the answer? Answer for this question, please.
Sir, liberalism.
Yeah, socialism, rationalism. What is the answer? Badra Brahma, tell me. Oh, sorry, but I already answered the question to Badra. Any other students are here? Let me check. Adidev is there. Adidev, tell me the answer, please. Adidev.
Liberalism.
Liberalism. Okay, so I already told you that I have marked that particular word. Then also you have doubt there. What is that? I told you demanded freedom. The word freedom is connected with what? It is liberalism, right? Liberal, free, liber, free. Okay, then what's the doubt in that? So almost the Ramayana completed. Okay, still there's a, what you can say, different doubts are there. Let it be. So sixth question. So the answer is liberalism. Liberalism. Sixth question. Choose the correctly matched pair about the crops and that area they are grown in. Okay. Groundnut, Assam, tea, Gujarat, coffee, Karnataka, sugarcane, Chhattisgarh. Only one option is correct. Tell me. Now the question to wait. I will ask for some individual here. Vishnupriya is present. Today there is no traveling. Vishnupriya?
No, sir.
Yesterday's travel vlog is completed. Then tell me, what is the answer?
Can you show the question again?
Question is here, man. Here it is. The sixth question. Choose the correctly matched pair about the crops and the area they are grown in. Groundnut, Assam, tea, Gujarat, coffee, Karnataka, sugarcane, Chhattisgarh. Tell me. You want 50-50? Call a friend? Phone a friend or something like that? Huh? Vishnupriya, then what is the answer?
T Gujarat.
Tea, Gujarat. Ah, fantastic. Very good.
Sugarcane, Chhattisgarh.
Huh? What?
Sugarcane, Chhattisgarh.
Sugarcane, Chhattisgarh. Another one. Huh?
Or groundnut, Assam.
Groundnut, Assam.
Coffee,
Except the correct
Coffee,
correct answer.
Sir,
All other
coffee,
options are.
Karnataka.
Okay, fine. So the answer is coffee, Karnataka. Coffee, Karnataka. So the Nilgiri Hills are famous for the coffee plantation, not the coffee plantation, coffee plantation. Okay, so mark that. Coffee, Karnataka. Mark that. Okay, that is the answer. Coffee, Karnataka. Okay. Seventh question. The piece of land left uncultivated for the past 1 to 5 agriculture years is called
fallow land.
Oh, who is that? Who is that one?
Nas.
Tell me. Nas Parveen. Okay, so Nobel Prize for Nas Parveen. The answer is correct. Okay, it is the fallow land. Okay, mark it. Okay, so others don't know the answer. I can see that. Okay, your faces is that they no idea about that answer. The answer is fallow land. Eighth question. Which one of the following conferences was convened to discuss environmental protection and socio-economic development at the global level in the
Rio
year
de Janeiro.
19? Oh, fantastic. Okay, I told to read that. Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit. Okay, Rio de Janeiro Earth Summit in the year 1992. 1992. Okay, Rio de Janeiro's Earth Summit. Next one, India has land under a variety of relief features. Which of the following features ensure perennial flow of some rivers, provide facilities for tourism and ecological aspects? Perennial rivers. India had a land under a variety of relief features. Which of the
Sir,
following
please,
features
usually-
ensure perennial flow of some rivers, provide facilities for
mountains.
tourism and ecological aspects? Okay, read the question. Read the question. Refer told that answer. Refer told one answer. I do not. I cannot say. Refer told that answer. Refer told one answer. Okay. Refer, what is your answer? Refer.
Yes, sir.
Tell me what is the answer.
Sir, I joined just now. I can't see.
Okay. So welcome to the class. Okay. Others?
Plateau.
Plateaus. Okay. Perennial rivers are basically in South India. Basically, Southern India is constituted of the Deccan Plateau. But the answer is not that.
Mountains.
Here, yeah, perennial flow of some rivers. Okay, basically the mountains and rivers that creating a special atmosphere, right? Right. Okay, to convert one area into a, what you can say, a tourist spot, mountains. Okay, so you can mark that answer, mountains. Okay, mountains. Next one, which one of the following human activities has contributed significantly in land degradation? Land degradation from the first chapter only, quality of the land is decreasing. Option, deforestation, crop rotation, shelter belts, plowing. What is that answer?
Deforestation.
Okay, answer is deforestation. Answer is deforestation. So deforestation will lead to a problem called soil erosion. And because of soil erosion, what will form? The gullies will form. Okay, then it will decrease the quality of the land or fertility of the land. Who is this? 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 Hello. Savio, what is the problem?
Sir?
Is there any trouble with your mic?
No, sir.
Okay. So your audio is creating some disturbance, Savio. Okay, I'm ready to me. What is that? Sir, if we write more than the required answer, what will happen? Okay. It is like that. If you're preparing sambar, okay, you are adding salt more than required means what will happen? The same thing will happen.
So will they reduce mark?
Options are there. No, then what is the doubt there? You just write that option. You don't want to go for more things there. Okay, options are there. Okay, please write that option. That enough. Clear, Anne-Marie? Anne-Marie is a perfectionist, I think. Obviously, you want perfection. Okay, so you don't want that kind of things here. So options are clearly mentioned. You just choose that option. Done. Okay, Anne-Marie. They're clear? Okay. So
Yes,
I
sir.
appreciating her intention, but we don't want something like that. Okay, so just that option is okay. So otherwise it will be like that. You know Hanuman, right? Hanuman, you know, heard about Hanuman?
Yes,
Anne-Marie?
sir.
Okay, so after the war, basically the war, the Lankan war. Okay, Rama Ravana Yuddham. So Malayalam, please come back. Okay, so next question. Next question for we people, it is the 11th question. 11th question. Observe here. Which one of the following countries adopted the majoritarian in their constitution? Majoritarianism. Okay. Yeah, someone already showed that answer. Who is
Sri
that?
Lanka.
No idea.
Sorry, yes, sir.
Nas Parvin told the correct answer. And one more person. One male who is that? That is Ashik Pateri. Okay, fine. So the answer is correct. The answer is Sri Lanka. Okay, you can mark that. Sri Lanka, the country
Yes,
that adopted the majoritarian policy in their constitution, Sri Lanka. Okay, next question. Identify the significant reason for power sharing from the following options. First of all, reduce socio-economic conflicts, provides ethnic cultural development, allows people to enjoy specific rights, restricts supremacy of one party. So tell me, what is the answer?
Option A only.
Pardon?
Option
Option
A.
D.
Please read that option. Okay, someone already gave that answer. Okay, here identify the significant reason for power sharing. Why we are dividing the power? Okay, first of all, reduce socio-economic conflicts. Okay, next one provides ethnic cultural development. Thirdly, allows people to enjoy specific rights. Fourth one, restricts supremacy of one party. Someone already told that answer.
Restricts supremacy of one party.
Here in majoritarian one, power sharing one, we not studied about any
Reduces
political
socio-economic
party there, right? Okay, reduces, first what is that?
Reduces socio-economic
Power sharing in that chapter, basically we discussed with conflicts between two groups there, right? Conflicts, right or not? Okay, so reduce socio-economic conflicts. So that is the correct answer. So mark that one. Okay.
Option A.
Reduce socio-economic conflicts. Option A only, Mr. Savio. Savio, the answer is correct. 13th question. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Tell me, are you eating something there? Savio?
No, sir.
Huh?
No,
I think that
sir.
your mouth is filled with something and you are speaking with one side. Huh?
No,
Savio?
sir.
No. Oh God. Is it really Savio or some other individual? So please turn on your camera. Where is Savio?
Yes, sir. 1 minute.
Turn on your camera. Savio, please turn on your camera. Just show your face, please. Savio. I can see you now. Okay. So what is the trouble with your microphone?
Nothing, sir.
Now it is okay. Okay, let it be. So come back. Next question. Apart from the central and the state government, Belgium had a third kind of government as well. Identify this third kind of government from the following option. First of all, democratic government.
Community
B,
government.
socialist government. C, the community government. D, the liberal government. Okay, the answer is correct. Almost all the people know that answer. The answer is correct. It is a community government. Community government. Okay, so mark that answer. The community government. Okay, next one. Which of the following countries is an example for coming together federation? Coming together
USA.
federation.
USA.
Yeah. Okay, correct answer. USA, United States of America. Then tell me, what about India? What about India?
Holding together.
Holding together.
Holding together federation. Very good. Okay, so India is a following holding together federation. That's what our federal system. Okay. Next question. Why is the power shared among different organs of the government called a horizontal distribution of power? Identify the correct reason. Why it is so? Read that options and tell me the answer.
Sir, option B. It allows different organs of government to place the
Same
same level.
level.
Okay. So refers answer is it is option B. It allows different organs of the government to place at the same level. Okay.
Option B.
Okay. Another person also told the option B, told that option B is the correct answer. So please check that properly. Option A, it gives judiciary more power to legislate and executive. So in a democratic system, it will not happen, right? It allows different organs of the government to be placed at the same level. So it is positive. So please set positive mark. It gives representation to different ideologies at a political level. Never. Okay. It influences and coordinates the decision-making process. Okay. It influences and coordinates the decision-making process. So that is a good one. It's a and also positive only. But connected with the question, why is the power shared among the different organs of the government called horizontal distribution of power? So horizontal distribution of power is connected with the organs of the government. Clear? Organs of the government. So probably answer is B. Answer is B. It allows different organs of the government to be placed at the same level. Okay, giving chances for almost all the government to enjoy its power. Okay, is that clear? Mark that option B. 16th question. In India, India's federal. Hello. I think that. So what about others there? What about Savio's voice for you people?
It's
Myself.
cracking.
Cracking, right? Okay, I thought that is my problem. Okay, it's not my problem. Savio, please reboot your system there once. Okay, Savio. Some network issues there, I think so, Savio. Okay, let it be. Okay, come back, yes. Next question. In India's federal system, the central and the state government have the power to legislate on all those subjects which are included in the union list, state list, concurrent list, and residuary subjects. Someone already gave that answer. Okay. What is that?
Concurrent list.
Okay. Any other answers are there? Any other answers are there? No.
No, sir.
So, okay, mark that. Answer is concurrent list. Okay. So, state and central government basically have the power to legislation. Okay, making some changes in the concurrent list. Or state or central government want to follow the principles or rules and regulations that mentioned in the concurrent list in the Indian Constitution. Okay, so the answer is option C, the concurrent list. Concurrent list. Okay. Okay, fine. So, moving to the next question. 70th question. Which of the following state of India enjoys special powers under Article 371A of the Constitution of India?
Nagaland.
Okay. It is the answer. Nagaland. Correct answer. So almost all the listeners know that answer. Good one. Okay. So next question. 1 minute. Okay. 18th question. Which one of the following is an example of primary sector activity?
Farming.
Primary sector activity. Okay, banking, outsourcing, farming, and banking. What is that answer?
Farming.
Primary sector. Okay,
Farming.
primary sector. Okay, we know that it is a farming. So this from economics part. And 19th question: which of the following measures of the proportion of literate population in the 7 and above age group?
Literacy rate.
Literacy rate. Correct answer. Okay. Which one of the following is the correct meaning of average income? The total income of the country divided by its earning population, the total income of the country divided by its total population, the total income of the residents of the country,
Total income of the country divided by its total population.
total population. Okay, that's what correct answer. Okay, which one of the following best describe the human development index? Improvement in science, information, technology, improvement in health, education, and income,
Improvement in health,
improvement in
education,
information
and
communication. Okay, correct answer. Improvement in health, education, and income. Correct answer. Okay, 22nd question. Consequences of environmental degradation do not respect national or state boundaries. Which of the following is the essence of this statement?
Sustainable development.
Okay, very good. Consequences of environmental degradation do not respect national or state boundaries. Which of the following is the essence of the statement? Economic development, human development, sustainable development, and national development. Consequences of the environmental degradation do not respect national or state boundaries. Please check it one more time. Come on. All of you, please read that statement. Please read that statement. So if you ask, okay, check it one more time, number of doubts will be there. Please check that.
National development.
National development. Any other answers are there?
Sustainable development.
Sustainable development. Okay. So completed. No other answers are there. Okay. So here you can see consequences of environmental degradation. Environment. So that is always related with that term sustainable. Right. Sustainable development. Mark that. Okay. Sustainable development. Then 23rd question.
Option
23rd
B.
question. Which of the following example fall under an organized sector? Organized sector. Okay. A daily wage labor working for a contractor, an engineer getting all employment benefits, a cleaning staff in a private school, a tailor stitching clothes at his home. What is the answer?
An engineer getting
Okay, an engineer getting all employment benefits. Okay, correct answer. Okay, next one. Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guaranteeing Act of 2005 states guarantees of minimum 100 days of employment per year. If the government is unable to fulfill these 100 days of employment, the government would have to dash.
Sir, C.
Okay. Pay at least 1/3 percentage allowance.
compensation.
Pay the compensation of in lieu of these days. Then, any other answers are there?
Option C.
Someone says option 3, 1/3 percent allowance.
Sir, option A.
Option A.
Option A, pay the compensation in lieu of these days. Okay, so we can go with option A, pay the compensation in lieu of these days. Okay, there is nothing is mentioned in the textbook there. Basically, this is the only statement there. Pay the compensation in lieu of these days there. Okay, clear. So please mark that. So section A is completed, and we are moving to the section C. Section C. Okay, so the first question, section B, attempt in 18 out of 22 questions. You can say it's Germania there, right? Sorry, I told that.
It's
Germany.
Okay, sorry. Okay, I told that answer. Following image is the personification of Germany, commonly associated with the Romantic era and the Revolution of 1848. Identify its name from among the following options.
Germania.
Philippines,
Germania.
Germania, Italia. Okay, so the answer is Germania. Clear? And you can see, related with this kind of questions, the visually impaired people cannot observe the picture there. So other question will be there. You should not answer it. Clear or not? Clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Hello, can you hear me? So listen carefully. So picture-based questions or cartoon-based questions, visually impaired people cannot attempt such kind of things there. So for them, separate question will be there. Okay, that is not for you people. You don't want to attempt that. Don't say that I wrote an extra question, I will get extra mark or something like that. Okay, nothing, that is not for you people. So don't want it. I'm very clear. Don't answer such kind of questions. Okay, so please read the instructions and follow the instructions. Okay, come on. Clear. Okay, then 26th. Which of the following options? Okay, please read that question, all of you. Please read the question. Which of the following options is or are correct about Balkan nationalism? Correct about Balkan nationalism. First of all, the Balkan regions become part of the conflict because of the Ottoman Empire. Ottoman Empire. The Balkan regions become part of the conflict because of the Ottoman Empire. The regions comprised of ethnic groups included Greek, Serbs, Montenegro, etc. British and ethnic nationalities struggled to establish their identity. Okay. Observe here. Which of the following options are correct about the Balkan nationalism? Balkan. Okay.
Sir, option A.
Option A.
Only one. Only one.
Sir,
Only
first
one.
Sir,
First
option
option.
A. One and
Option
two.
A.
Only one.
Okay, only one. Number of students says only one. Option C. Number of students says it is option A, 1 and 2. Okay, so you can see here, first option, the Balkan regions become part of the conflict because of the Ottoman Empire. That is correct anyway, right? And second option, The regions comprised of the ethnic groups include the Greeks, Serbs, Montenegros. Is that correct?
No, sir.
No.
Why?
Yes, sir, it is correct.
Sir,
That was the correct only. Different ethnic groups are there in that locality. We observed that, we read that from the textbook. So answer is option A, 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Okay, please mark that. The people, those who have the confusion, okay, please check that in the textbook. Okay, and learn it. Next one, 27th one. Okay, 27th question. Why did the weavers in Cilicia revolt against the contractors in 1845? Identify the appropriate reason from the following options there. Okay. Weavers in Cilicia, the Cilician issue of 1845. Okay. The contractors did not pay their dues. Contractors appointed few on high posts. Contractors used to government policies. Contractors gave them loans on high interest. Which one is the correct option?
sir, option A.
Pay their dues.
Did not pay their dues.
Ah,
Not
there.
pay their dues.
Okay, correct answer. So answer is option A. The contractors failed to pay their dues. Okay, did not pay their dues. That is the correct answer. So 27th option is correct one. Okay. Okay, so balance we will discuss in the next class. Okay, 28th onwards we'll discuss in the
Yes,
next
sir.
class. Okay, so it is now I can see 31. I mean 30 students. One it is me. Okay, so
Yes,
30
sir.
students are here. Savio,
Yes, sir.